Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us have faced at some point, the issue of not being able to access a specific website. It can be frustrating when you're trying to visit a site for work or leisure, and all you see is an error message staring back at you. But fear not, because we have the solution to help you get back online in no time. In order to solve this problem, all you need to do is clear your browser's cache and cookies. By doing this, you remove any stored data that might be causing the website to not load properly. It's like giving your browser a refreshing makeover, allowing it to start fresh and access the website without any hindrance. So, go ahead and give it a try. You'll be surprised at how often this simple solution does the trick. Now that you've cleared your browser's cache and cookies, you should find that the website you were trying to access loads smoothly without any issues. It's amazing how a little bit of cleaning up can make such a big difference in your online browsing experience. Remember, this solution is a handy trick to have up your sleeve for future encounters with similar problems. You'll be a troubleshooting pro in no time. In conclusion, troubleshooting website access issues can be a breeze with the right solution in hand. By clearing your browser's cache and cookies, you can easily resolve the problem and get back to surfing the web hassle-free. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. Until next time, happy browsing.